Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Today I am making minced meat or ground beef tagliatelle. Let's begin. Heat the pan until piping hot, then add the oil. Meanwhile you're heating the pan, boil salted water, cook the pasta as per the package instruction. Once cooked, drain the water and save about 1.5 cups of pasta water. Fry the onion for 2 minutes. Add garlic and stir. A very warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Now add fresh or dry Origanum, Rosemary, and thyme. Mix. Add chopped carrots. Mix. Then add minced meat or ground beef. Split it into small pieces. Add salt and black pepper as per your taste. Then add smoked chili and cumin. Mix, mix, mix. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Once the meat is dry, add tomato paste and mix. We are mixing here. Mix, mix, mix. Add crushed beef stock cube and mix, giving it 1 to 2 minutes to fry or to incorporate. Grated tomatoes with their juices and stir. If you have a can of tomatoes, you may add or you may use that one. Add the pasta water, stir, and cook for 30 minutes until it is reduced. Here I cooked it with the pan open. Taste your sauce and make flavor adjustments if necessary. Add fresh chopped basil and stir. Add the pasta and mix. Now when you mix here, you toss and turn. Don't mix too hard. You don't want to break your pasta. Now you ensure that all the pasta is coated with sauce. If you like my content, please press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value to this video. This is optional. You drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with fine Parmesan cheese, and garnish with basil leaves. I hope you will enjoy this pasta dish. It is short, simple, delicious. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.